In this video, I finish up my last few days in Hoi An, Da Nang area. I visit the My Sun Sanctuary. Once again, I meet some awesome people. And then continue my journey up north with my new friend, Dimitri. The cost to enter this World Cultural Heritage site will set you back a whole $6.50.
Come on. Come on.
We started walking, and after about a kilometer, we realized that there was a shuttle bus that kept driving by us that was free, and we didn't have to walk. So about 3/4 of the way, we decided to hop on. This adventure actually turned out to be very peaceful and relaxing. Lots of fresh air, surrounded by forest, a little bit of rain, looking at structures built over 1,600 years ago. My Sun is a cluster of abandoned and partially ruined Hindu temples, some buildings being constructed as early as 400 AD. The ruins are located about 69 kilometers southwest of Da Nang. It blows my mind every time when I come to places like this. Just thinking about how people used to live back in the day with no modern tools, no medicine, everything in the forest was trying to kill them, and they still survive. Amazing. We definitely opted for the bus ride down. Like I've said before, one of the best things about traveling is meeting new people. And some of those awesome people we met invited us up for a nice little barbecue on their rooftop deck in Da Nang. Good times with good people. It was fun, but it's time to go. Headed north. Let's go. But before we head out, gotta grab the best banh mi sandwich in all of Vietnam. Literally the best banh mi I've had in Vietnam. If you haven't been here, make sure to check it out when you come to Hoi An. Views were beautiful, beach on the right, mountainside on the left. Yes, headed up north from Hoi An to Hue. We're doing the Havon Pass, I believe it's called. Lots of turns, lots of greenery. It's gonna be a good ride. It's so hard not to stop at all the beautiful locations you see as you ride. So a 3-hour trip turns to a 4-hour trip because of all the little pit stops and pictures. They're definitely worth it though. This is one of my more enjoyable rides. We only stayed in Hue for a short time. The little time we had, we decided to go and check out the oldest pagoda in the city. The Pagoda of the Celestial Lady. This iconic 7-story building is regarded as the unofficial symbol of the city of Hue.
Okay, what are you gonna do?
Let's see what the second largest bell in Vietnam sounds like. I was feeling a bit daring and decided to check out the abandoned water park. If you're interested in checking out this place, I made a video about a month ago. Check it out. Next stop, Phong Nha.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Such an awesome ride. Just left Hoi An, Da Nang area and just been driving westward into the mountains and valleys. Little towns, rivers, streams, waterfalls. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's so peaceful. I'm loving it out here. If you ever want to go for a nice bike ride, Vietnam, bottom to top or top to bottom. You versus you. A quick stop to fix my broken phone screen, and then we're back at it. Little did I know, this would be the last of the riding me and Dimitri have together. Stay tuned to see how it all turned out. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Later.